friends! Hello! Hi! How are you? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. Happy Tuesday! Happy Tutorial Tuesday! So today's look, a while back I got, if you don't know what Tutorial Tuesday is, it's basically me just doing tutorials. They're not fantastic, but they're my best, and I think I'm getting better at makeup, so I want to share any of the little tips and tricks I have with you guys. Today's video we are going to be doing a purple like halo smoky eye. I did a look like this with this palette. It's the Jaclyn Vault Bling Boss palette. This was actually the only palette I really liked out of that whole collection, of her whole Vault collection. I loved the Bling Boss palette. So I used this palette and I created this like smoky purple like spotlight eye, and everybody loved it in that video. Like, people really seemed to like that one. It was in my, I think it was my best of makeup 2018, so you guys can go watch that if you want to see the look. But we're gonna be recreating that today because a ton of you wanted tutorials, so I decided why not do that. Why not do that? And at the end of this video, we're going to be picking the palette that I'm going to be using for the entire week, because I am going to be implementing that starting this week. So next week you'll get a full review and tutorial on that palette based on me using it for the entire week. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so I've already like primed. Do you want to be even closer? Hello! I've already kind of primed and prepped my eyes. They're set, I think. The first thing I'm going to do is, number one, get my color switch out. And number two, I have my color switch right here. Number two, I'm gonna take this brush I got from Morphe. Morphe actually sent this to me when they sent me the 15T palette in Actually, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't like Morphe's brush sets normally, because in the past they've kind of fallen apart on me, but these eye brush sets are bomb. This one's really stained right now because I've been using it so much, but I'm gonna dip into it's kind of like a dome fluffy brush. This is the shade Hush Hush, which is this lilac-y purple color, and I'm just gonna roll my brush around. This is my new way of doing it with this palette because I find it helps, and I'm just gonna kind of lightly put this all up in my crease. And since it's a halo eye, I want it to go all the way around both sides. Normally when I do my makeup, I kind of keep it central to like one side or the other, but in this one I want even distribution on both sides. The biggest thing I've learned in the past year about doing my makeup, I guess this is kind of like a duh thing, but I feel like using a lighter hand has really helped me with my blending. Alright, next I'm going to take, this is also a Morphe brush I think, but this is a super old one. I don't even know where you'd get it, but it's kind of just like a tapered blending brush, I guess would be the right word. I'm gonna go in with the shade Rockstar. I'm kind of, instead of like blending over each of my crease, I'm just gonna start kind of patting and then blending on the sides of my eyes, so on my outer corner and my inner corner, but I'm gonna keep this taupey purple shade in the middle. That's kind of what I remember doing, I believe. Sorry if I seem down today. I have to go to a funeral, like calling hours today. One of Charles's family members died really unexpectedly, and I didn't like know him super well, but I knew him well enough that it's like still really sad, and you know, it's always just sad when stuff like this happens. This Tutorial Tuesday might be a little more like but I feel like I gotta keep posting because it definitely helps. You kind of want something like that, but I'm gonna blend it out a little bit better. It's really easy. I feel like it seems really intimidating. The biggest part is just like patting. And the good thing about these types of looks is that it doesn't have to be crazy like specific, because you can fix it later, which is the nice part. Right now it's kind of just about placing the color. I was in New York City last week and I saw Harry Potter and the Cursed Child, which if you guys don't know what that is, it's basically like the after story of Harry Potter, but it's in a play format. We actually, my family like bought the tickets over a year ago, I think. Like, it was a while ago. I'm gonna take this Real Techniques brush. Real Techniques actually also sent me brushes through Actually. I personally think that Real Techniques and Morphe have the best eye brushes. These are just a couple of the ones they sent me. They sent me like these big, they sent me like an eye brush set. I do think Real Techniques is better though than Morphe. I just do. I think they're a lot softer and a lot more like pretty, and they're just easier to use. They don't fall apart as quickly as Morphe's do. I think they're really nice. I'm gonna then go into the shade Mystic, which is this dark purple, and I'm gonna pat that even further on the outer corners, kind of like this. So we bought the tickets for this show And I'm focusing this more on my crease, by the way. We bought the tickets for Cursed Child like literally over a year ago. We had to like get a code, and it was this whole big ordeal to even get tickets. It like took forever. My family though is like, we are serious theater buffs. Like, we all love the theater. We are really into all of that stuff. I did theater starting at like age 4 or 5 in shows. I've been in so many freaking shows at this point. My sister too is like a huge theater buff. My other sister actually didn't come, but I think it's a good thing she didn't come, because I don't think if you know, I wouldn't recommend going to see that show if you don't know anything about Harry Potter, because like nothing's gonna make sense. It definitely was made for Harry Potter fans, but it was kind of cool because there were some cool moments where like something would happen. I wish I could say it, but if anybody's going to see it, I don't want to spoil it for you, but it was really good. I'm going to dip into the shade Gem right here, and I'm kind of going to start packing that around my eye just a little. This has a tad bit of shimmer to it, so I don't want to do anything too crazy, but I'm kind of packing this on like the inner part of the outer. Like, this is the outer, and then the inner part right before the thing. I don't know how to explain things. I'm so sorry. This is just to bring some of that purple back. But that was really good. Unfortunately though, we were kind of like rushed in New York City. We were there for a while, but we were there for like 3 days, but, well, I guess like 2. But yeah, this just kind of gives some of that purple like gradient, because we had the dark purple and now we're doing the lighter purple. What happened was, we added on an extra night because we realized that going down the day of, the show was 5, and I think it was almost 6 hours. It was 2 3-hour chunks, and then you got like a 2.5 break in between. So you went to part 1, which was 3 hours long, and then you had a 2.5-hour break, and then you went to part 2, which was another 3 hours. So it was a very long show. So my family and I basically decided we didn't want to go down the same day as the show, which was the initial plan, because it just would have been too exhausting. So we booked a hotel room for the night before as well, and my dad accidentally booked them at 2 different hotels, because there's like 4 different Hilton Garden Inns in Times Square. So we just booked the wrong one. So we got to the hotel, they were like, ooh, that sucks, but you're gonna have to switch hotels. And we were like, so we had to wake up super early that morning, the morning of the show, and switch hotels, and then we couldn't get into the room until after the first section of the show, so we had to like wait for our bags. It was just a lot. It was a lot of fun though, but it was just more of a rushed trip than normal, because normally we can just like chill. I'm going to take this wand brush in honor of me talking about Harry Potter, and I'm going to go into this shade Bling Bling, this bright pinky shimmer, and I'm gonna put that right in the middle where we have no color really. I might actually use my finger to do this, because I feel like I'm not getting the color I want. I'm kind of overdoing it a little bit, because I'm gonna put more of a like brighter, yeah, that's kind of what I want. So now I'm going to take this big brush, and it's a big like packing brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade Glitz and Glam. Actually, I'm going to take a different brush. I'm going to take this little Real Techniques brush that's just like a little mini packing brush. I'm going to spray it with my MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to go into that Glitz and Glam, and I'm going to pack that on in the same place. Now, this is the risky part. You could just leave it like this, and I think this looks really pretty, but I personally like to darken up these a little bit. So I'm going to dip into this shade Mystic right here, and I'm going to put that kind of with another little tapered blending brush, and I'm going to put that towards my outer corner, just more, deepen up this corner, but like the lower part of my outer corner, because I think if you leave it light at the top, it gives it more of a dimension. I don't know what I'm saying, if this is real. And that's it. That's how I did this look. I'm gonna do the lower lash line really quick too. I think I'm going to take this little pencil brush that I always use. We're gonna color swatch it, and then I am going to go into basically like Hush Hush on the inner corner to Rockstar to Mystic. Pretty simple. And then we'll be back for like lashes and final thoughts, and then we'll pick the other palette we're gonna do this week. I'm goth now. No, I'm just kidding. So this is what the final look came out to be. I threw on my Pillow Talk highlighter from Ofra because I thought the pink could be kind of pretty, and I did the under eye. I actually lined my eye, like I did my eyeliner. I lined my lower lash line with this Jaclyn purple pencil. I think black would also look good. I think I did black in the original one, but I was kind of just feeling something fun, so I did purple. And I used Kylie Cosmetics Love Bite as my lipstick, because I love this lipstick. I think it's really perfect for like a purple monochromatic-esque look, but this is the look. I think it actually is pretty good. I like doing halo eyes. I don't know why I don't do them more because I think they look really cool on my eyes. Like my eye shape is cool for them. And this is a more loose one. I think you could do it way more precise and have like do like concealer and make an actual cut crease out of it. But this is if you just want to do something because this took me like 10 minutes to do. So if you want to do something kind of quick and simple without all the concealer and still look pretty good, I think this is pretty good for that. Yeah, and you could do this with any colors. I don't even think you have to make it so dark and smoky. You could do it with like pinks or anything. But yeah, I actually really like how this one came out. This is cute. I rarely like these, but I think this one's cute. All right, friends, well that is that on that. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, or just subscribe, or do neither. Honestly, just so happy you're watching me. I have decided that the palette I'm gonna be using for the rest of this week is the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice palette. I bought this during the holiday season and I just like didn't use it enough. Like, I just feel like I didn't really get a ton of use out of it. So this is the one I'm gonna be using this week. I think it has a really cool array of colors for a more neutral and a more like crazy look. So next week, this is what the Tutorial Tuesday is. Ow! Slammed on my thumb. So next week, this is what the Tutorial Tuesday is going to be on. And yeah, I'll be doing looks with this all week. So if you see me this week, the rest of the week with my makeup, that's what this is. It's this palette. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. And yeah, love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye!